Good morning, children. I welcome you all to Standard 3rd. Now, students, we learn English today. Yes, first we are going to do the introduction of the English textbook. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale from Virtual Training Center, Dadar. Now, I am going to teach you English this year. Okay? Students, this is your front page of Balabharati English textbook. Yes, observe this. Here we can see a rich nature. The surrounding is very green. You can see greenery all over. We can see so many students. They are enjoying the reading. And we can see animals also. We can see a bridge, river, and a library. Here, the front page tells us that we have to conserve and preserve the nature. This is the first page of English Balabharati textbook, and this is the contents page. Here, the contents is divided into 4 units, and each unit has some poems and some proses, means lessons. Now, here we can see some of the poems which are very short and they are the best poems. See here a pretty game, a string song, dress quickly, baby's dress, a beautiful poem, the sugar plum tree. Like this, you will learn nice poems and you will enjoy these poems in this year. Students, this year you are going to learn and you are going to listen some interesting stories. It has Tenali Rama story and frog stories, moral stories are there, and funny stories you are going to listen, and some this Pinocchio, that is the puppet story you are going to listen, and the Japanese story is also there. Yes, really you are going to enjoy so many stories this year. Now the next comes the life history or life story of some famous personalities. Here the story of Sindbad the sailor and the Kashaba Jadhav, a famous kabaddi player from India, and the Gadge Maharaj. Yes, students, here you are going to listen the life story of these famous personalities. And the next comes the young scientist part. Here you are going to make some magic tricks. You will enjoy this. You will feel very happy to do all this. This is based on the creativity. See this. If you have your textbook, then you can open these pages and you can go through. The next one is here a skit you are going to enjoy, and some here making means robotics making. You are going to make the robotics by the help of the cardboard, and a team of workers, that is also a good one. These are all based on the activity. Here, why we celebrate the festivals like Makar Sankranti? The answer you will get in this year. And what is the reason behind this festival? You will come to know. And what all we do during Makar Sankrant, that we will come to know in this lesson. And dear students, this is nothing but conversation page. Here, it will teach us how to converse in the market. When you go to market to purchase the things, you have to use some of the conversations that is shown in this lesson. And the information about the bottom of the ocean. What is there under the sea? You will come to know. Amazing lesson. You all get the information of all this in these chapters. Comes the back page. Here also we can see a greenery, a nature picture. You can see mountains, rivers, so many animals. And the main thing is that here you can see two children. The girl is operating the laptop, and both of them, they are using the advanced technology and they are learning something. They are getting the advanced knowledge. This thing you are doing nowadays in the lockdown, right? Because of our schools are closed due to coronavirus, and you are learning through home by using the advanced technology, that is mobiles, laptops, computers, etc. Right? Now children, this is all about the introduction of your English textbook. Now in the next lecture, we will go through the first poem. Okay? If you have the time, then you go through the textbook, you observe the beautiful pictures and other things from the textbook. Okay? Thank you, dear children.